Hi, everybody. Welcome to High Level Listening, our English learning channel helping you speak faster and sound more natural and fluent in English.
Yes, hello everyone. Thank you for joining us. Kat and I are both real English teachers, and we want to help you if you think you sound a bit like this.
I want to learn English, so I am going to study more.
Right, but you would like to sound a bit more like this.
I want to learn English, so I'm going to study more.
Wow, okay, did you hear the difference? In today's video, we're going to help you learn to blend sounds together. That's taking two or more words, and when we push the sounds together, we can talk more smoothly, quickly, and more naturally too.
Exactly. And native English speakers do this all the time, and we don't even think about it. We use contractions and blending with a bunch of super common phrases that we'll show you today.
Yes, that's right. We'll look at 8 examples that you can start using today. And we've also got a free list of all the words and phrases that we'll learn today in the description below, so you can study these offline and practice saying them.
We've also partnered up with italki as a sponsor for this video. Italki is an online language learning platform where you can practice English with real native speakers anytime, anywhere. And thanks to them, we have a very special offer to help you save money and improve your English speaking skills at the same time. Stick around to learn more about this special offer.
Okay, so let's jump into the phrases. We'll start with the first one.
The first one is I must. I must, M-U-S-T. Now, to be honest, we don't really say I must, you must. It's quite formal and it feels a bit serious in a way. So often we will change it to 3 words. I have to. I have to. And make sure with have to, we have a f sound coming and it's nice and airy. It's not I have with the V, it's more of an F sound. I have. I have to.
Yes, the word I must sounds a little bit old-fashioned. In the
Mm.
past, it was popular, but nowadays, most people say I have to. So, I have to finish this report today. But if you want to use the blended sounds to sound smooth and natural, I have to finish this report today. I have to finish.
Here's some more examples. I have to get up early tomorrow.
She has to leave by 6.
He has to work this weekend. Notice have to, I have to, you have to, we have to changes to he has to, she has to.
I really have to go. I'm already late. Okay, let's look at the second contraction. You might know, I want to. I want to. The contraction is I wanna. I wanna. I want to. I wanna. So the word to disappears. It becomes wanna.
I usually try to explain this to my students that the word to really isn't that important. And because it blends in with the other one, I wanna, we don't even hear it at all anymore. So instead of saying, I want to learn Spanish, I wanna learn Spanish.
Some more examples. I want to try that new sushi place.
You wanna join us for lunch?
And if we use he wants to or she wants to, becomes wants to. He wants to. She wants to. For example, he wants to buy a new car.
And she wants to learn guitar.
And the first one, I want to. I wanna. In the negative, I don't want to think about it right now.
I know you don't wanna, but you have to. So remember that these are the exact kind of things that you will naturally hear when you sign up for a class with a native speaker on italki.
Yes, that's right. If you wanna really improve your pronunciation and your listening, you're going to find a huge range of professional, experienced native English teachers on italki who will help you practice speaking naturally and get comfortable using these contractions and hearing them as well in real conversational English.
Looking at some
Lovely.
different
Yeah,
ones.
there's some have a little play around.
Mm.
So
We've got notes that can be taken, and we've got lesson planning, attachments, dual monitors, as I imagine you probably have as well.
Absolutely. And because this video is sponsored by italki, one of the largest online language learning platforms, you can find the perfect tutor or teacher to help you practice speaking out loud and improve your listening and speaking skills.
Yes, here at High Level Listening, we only recommend products or platforms that we've actually found useful as well. And there are over 150 different languages waiting for you on italki.
And I've personally used it myself. I've personally found really amazing tutors on italki to practice my Spanish and my French speaking skills. I know it sounds a little scary at first, but there are so many wonderful tutors out there on the italki platform, from professional business English to just friendly chatting.
Yeah, exactly. That's what makes italki different. It connects you with real native English speakers for one-on-one lessons. So you can actually talk to real people and get used to how the language really sounds. You can also get corrections, which will take your English to the next level. And you can choose tutors and teachers based on your schedule and on your budget. There's no subscription or commitment, so it's really nice and flexible.
Plus, we've also tried their new AI learning tool, which is an optional premium feature that gives you extra support through AI tools, including a lesson summary and personalized practice to help you improve faster. It even tracks your progress, so I stay motivated and you can stay motivated to keep going.
Yes, so if you wanna give it a try, click the link below in the description to start your own language learning journey. And if you use our exclusive promo code, High Level, you'll get $5 free when you buy your first $10 or more worth of credits. And do it quickly because the first 50 students that use the code get the discount. I'm sure it'll be gone quickly. So yes, if you really want to get better at speaking English, don't miss your chance. We really recommend trying this at least once.
So, the very next one, when we say going to, like I am going to do something in the future, I'm gonna. So, we have four words. I am going to, I'm gonna. She is going to, she's gonna, etc. So, see, we do it without thinking. I am going to call my friend later. I'm gonna. I'm gonna call my friend later.
Another example, I'm gonna start a new book tonight.
You're gonna love this show.
With he and she, this contraction is the same. He's gonna, she's gonna. So she's gonna take the train tomorrow.
They're gonna meet us at the restaurant.
We're gonna go on a trip this weekend. Okay, contraction number 4. Give me. Native speakers rarely say give me unless they're talking to a naughty child or they're being very, very serious. Like, give me my book right now. When you stress give me as 2 words, it does sound very serious and a very direct instruction. But if you're just talking to friends, just talking to colleagues, give me, gimme, gimme. So the V disappears, it's double M, gimme. So you could say, could you give me a moment? Could you give me a moment? If you want to be a bit more friendly and casual, could you give me a moment? Could you give me a moment?
And also, too, could you is very polite. Can you is perfectly fine. But also, when we say gimme, hey, give me a second. I'm almost ready. We don't even need the could you give me a second. It's simply give me a second. Hey, give me a second. I'm almost ready.
And yes, because it's contracted already, it's not a serious or intense instruction. Saying gimme is still a bit friendly. So give me a hand with these boxes, please.
Give me the remote. I want to change the channel.
Or give me your number and I'll text you.
All right, so our next contraction is let me or allow me. Now, a lot of my students use allow me to introduce myself. Allow me and let me is kind of a nice, faster way to say I would like to. All right. But if you want to go from more formal English to more casual English, lemme, lemme. So instead of saying allow me, let me, we're just going to say lemme. Like give me turns into gimme, let me turns into lemme.
Yes, you notice the T disappears. You might say, let me check my calendar first. But if I was speaking, I would say, let me check my calendar first. Let me check my calendar first.
Hey, let me know if you need help.
Let me see what I can do.
One sec, let me grab my keys.
Let me explain it again. And this is common in both American and British English. We both say, let me. Okay, contraction number 6. This one's 3 words into one sound. What are you? What are you? Whatcha? Whatcha? So, what are you doing this weekend? What you doing this weekend? What you doing this weekend? So it becomes very different. What are you? Whatcha?
Sounds kind of American too, because I might say something like, what you up to this weekend? It's very, very friendly, very casual.
Here are some examples. What you watching right now?
What you thinking about for dinner?
Sorry, what you talking about?
So, what you gonna wear tonight?
Well, that's a double. What are you going to? What you gonna? What you gonna?
What you gonna do later? What you gonna what you gonna wear? That's a good one. I like that. Okay, this is another good one for a question. Do you? It's kind of tough, honestly, to say do you because you have to really pronounce both of those oo sounds. Do you? So we don't do that. So we're probably going to say something like j or ju. And it's not just a u, but it's a kind of a j sound. J, j, ju, ju. People say j and people say ju. I don't think it matters which accent you use. Sometimes I say, do you want to go with me? Sometimes I say, do you want to go with me?
In a British accent, it's more of a j, j,
Mhm.
j. So do you? J. For example, do you want to grab lunch? Do you
Two.
want to grab lunch? Do you wanna grab lunch?
Ooh, 2 in 1. I love that. Do you like spicy food?
Do you know where she lives?
Do you want to see a movie later?
Do you have any plans this weekend?
Oh,
I
that's a
like that
good
last
one.
one. Yeah. Do
Me too. I
you
was just thinking
have?
that.
This is almost 4 in 1. Do you have? Sorry, 3 in 1. Jav? Jav?
Jav.
J-A-V.
That's a
Do you have
good
any
one.
plans?
Yeah. And do you want to? Do you wanna? Do you want to see a movie later? Do you want to see a movie later? Oh, I like those. Yeah.
Okay, so from the present to the past, our last contraction today is did you? Did you yesterday? Did you earlier? Did you becomes did ya? Did ya? Again, we've got the D and the Y coming together to make a J sound. Did you? Oh, did you?
So it is a little hard to hear the do for the present tense, but I think in the past, did you? Do you want to go
Mm.
with me now? Did you want to go with me? Did you want to go with me in the past? So something like, did you call your mom yet?
Or did you see the game last night?
Hey, did you hear the news?
Did you find your keys?
Nice. Okay. So honestly, even native speakers have to think really deeply about these things because we just say them naturally. So there you have it. We just looked at 8 super common and very useful contractions to help you understand, hear a little bit better how native speakers really do speak in everyday conversations.
Yeah, so a great practice idea would be to listen to us and repeat the sentences out loud. You can also listen for them in movies, shows, and podcasts. Now that you know them, you will start noticing them everywhere.
And if you really want to practice speaking naturally with real qualified native English teachers, check out italki. The link is in the description below. And remember that the first 50 members who use our exclusive promo code high level, HIGHLEVEL, get $5 free when you buy your first $10 or more worth of credits.
Yes, okay. Thank you for joining us, everybody. We will see you again very soon for another video here on High Level Listening. Bye-bye.
Thanks so much.